Hi there. Okay, we're going to continue with our story elements. So on Monday we covered characters, Tuesday we went over setting, and Wednesday we went over plot. Today we're going to be talking and reviewing about problem and solution. So let's start off with problem. Problem, a situation or problem that is hard to deal with, solve, or overcome. Okay, so we have problem. Let's think of the example. My shoe, I keep tripping every day because my shoe is untied. I trip every day because my shoe is untied. That's a problem. It's not a real problem. I'm just giving you an example. All right, now let's go over solution. Solution, how a problem is solved. So I would like for you to think, okay, if I'm tripping every day because my shoelaces are untied, that's a problem. How could I solve that problem? Let's take a moment and think. How could Miss Magoni solve her problem? All right, when you have an answer, give a thumbs up. Okay, so if you think that the way I could fix my problem is by tying my shoe, you're right. So, for example, you're going to have a problem. You have a problem. How can that problem be solved? That's called a solution, all right? So, I have this little example here. Problem. The problem is something the characters want to change, fix, or figure out. Okay, so right here, this little girl, her snowman is starting to melt because the sun is out, all right? So as you can tell on her face, she's sad. This is a problem. Her snowman is starting to melt and she wants to fix it. So the solution is a way to solve the problem. So instead of her trying to make a snowman in the sun, she should wait when the weather is a little bit cooler and the sun isn't out, all right? So your problem, something that's going wrong, and the solution is how can you fix that, okay? All right, that was my little review of a problem and solution. So once more, the problem is something the characters want to fix, change, or figure out, and the solution is a way to solve the problem. So before I finish this video up, I have a little example. Elmer on stilts. So if you've heard the story, if you know any of the Elmer's books, there's usually a problem, and then there needs to be a solution to help with the problem. So Elmer in this book, he's trying to get away from some hunters, and he comes up with a wonderful solution on how to escape from these hunters. So I don't want to ruin the story, but not all books have problems. Some do, some don't, but there usually is a good whatever.